Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 340, Search with Generative AI. The site search capabilities of Power Pages have gone through some iterations over the years. It started off based on Lucene.net, followed by a switch to using Dataverse Search. Recently, Microsoft announced the general availability of another enhancement, Search with Generative AI. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Enabling this new capability is easy. In the Design Studio, go to the Setup workspace, and then go to Site Search. There, you can enable Site Search with Generative AI. Once enabled, your search results page will look a little different. The faceted search options will go away, but instead, above the traditional keyword-based results, you'll get the AI-generated search result, with included references to your content. By default, the generative AI considers web pages and web files to create its responses. Plus, you can configure additional tables via the Make Changes button in the More Settings area. If you're a developer wanting to build your own interface for the search, the AI-generated summary is available via an API. Unfortunately, this new capability is not available in some of the government clouds. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 340 on Search with Generative AI useful.